Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into how you can maximize your earnings on BingX using the referral code CHUCHU. Let's get started. BingX is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges out there, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive trading features. But did you know you can get some amazing bonuses just by using a referral code? That's right. Let me show you how. First things first, let's walk through how to use the BingX referral code, CHUCHU. Step 1. Create a new account on BingX. Head over to the official BingX website. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address or mobile number and create a strong password for your account. Don't forget to enter the referral code CHUCHU in the designated field. This is crucial to unlock those bonuses. Once you've filled out your details, hit Claim Reward. You'll receive a verification code via email. Enter that code and voila, your account is now verified. Step 2. Deposit and trade. Next up, let's get some funds into your account. Navigate to the Assets section and click on Deposit. You can deposit crypto via on-chain transfer or even buy crypto using a bank transfer or credit card. Remember, the bonuses depend on your deposit and trading volume. So, even small deposits can start earning you rewards. For example, a deposit as small as 100 USDT can get you a 10 USDT trial fund. Now that you've deposited funds, it's time to trade. Explore the BingX trading platform to get familiar with its features. You can trade spot, futures, and even engage in crypto copy trading. The more you trade, the more bonuses you unlock. There are different tiers of bonuses depending on your trading volume. So, keep an eye on those milestones. Step 3. Claim rewards. Once you've met the deposit and trading requirements, head over to the New User Rewards section. Here you can review the terms and conditions and claim your bonus. Simply click the Claim button in the Bonus section. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your BingX sign-up bonuses using the referral code CHUCHU. BingX isn't just about bonuses. It's a comprehensive platform offering over 700 cryptocurrencies for trading. You can trade major coins like BTC, ETH, and new altcoins. Plus, the fees are some of the lowest in the industry, starting at just 0.1% for spot trades. Security is top-notch with BingX. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and SSL encryption. Plus, they have 100% proof of reserves verified by Mazars, so you can trade with peace of mind. BingX is always running various promotions. From trading competitions to seasonal offers, there's always a chance to earn extra rewards. Check out the BingX Rewards Hub to stay updated on the latest promos. Complete simple tasks like depositing coins or hitting certain trading volumes to earn even more bonuses. The higher the difficulty, the bigger the reward. To sum it up, BingX is a fantastic platform for both new and experienced traders. By using the referral code CHUCHU, you can unlock amazing bonuses and start your trading journey with a boost. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on BingX today using the referral code CHUCHU and claim your bonuses. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.